In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw crypto from BingX. First, open the BingX app or website and make sure the crypto you want to withdraw is in your fund account. BingX's official withdrawal guide shows the process starting from assets and then withdraw, where you can choose the token you want to send out. BingX also has a withdrawal fees page that explains fees depend on the coin and blockchain network, so the cost can vary depending on which network you choose. Next, select cryptocurrency as the withdrawal type, then choose the coin you want to send, like USDT, BTC, or another supported asset. After that, paste the receiving wallet address very carefully. This is one of the most important parts because BingX's guide shows that you also need to choose the correct blockchain network before you continue. The address and the network must match the destination wallet, otherwise your crypto can be lost or delayed. Now enter the amount you want to withdraw and review the withdrawal details. BingX shows the fee, the network, and the final amount that the receiving wallet should get after fees. Before you confirm, double-check everything: the token, the address, the network, and the amount. Since crypto withdrawals are blockchain transactions, they normally cannot be reversed once they are submitted. BingX also offers an address book and whitelist feature for withdrawals. Their official guide says you can save wallet addresses in the address book and later choose those saved addresses directly when withdrawing. This can help reduce typing mistakes, especially if you send to the same wallet often. After you confirm the withdrawal, BingX may ask for security verification depending on your account settings. Then you can track the transfer in your withdrawal records. BingX's support article on withdrawal records explains that you can check the status of your withdrawal from the Asset Records section and filter for withdraw to see the details. One final tip: if you are sending to a new wallet or a different exchange, it's smart to do a small test withdrawal first. That way you can confirm the address and network are correct before sending the full amount. Once the blockchain confirms the transaction, the crypto should appear in the destination wallet. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.